how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So go ahead and open your browser in your desktop. Now we need to go to the Amazon affiliate website. So type in Amazon Associate on your browser, or you can just visit this link, affiliate-program.amazon.com. Now, as you can see, their main slogan is recommended product and earn commission. Amazon Associates is in an affiliate program of Amazon, as you can see, is actually one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. So by participating in this, you can earn money just by promoting products. For now, specifically if you don't have an account yet, what you need to do is to sign up. So once you have an account, the next step is to recommend. You can share millions of products with your audience, and if someone buys using your link, you can definitely earn up to 10% in associate commissions, as mentioned here, from qualifying purchases and programs. So to get started, click on the sign up button on the upper right part of the screen, and here click on create account. You just need to answer the forms giving your personal details, so your name, email address, password, and after that, you just need to provide additional account information, a website, and mobile app list where you will be promoting their products, your profile setup, and then you are good to go. Now, this is how it looks like once you are logged in into your associates account. This is how your homepage looks like. You will see a graph of your earnings and an overall summary of your earnings. What we can do now is to start promoting products, and we don't really do this in the Amazon Associate program site. So go to amazon.com, and once you have your Amazon Associates account, this gray bar will be visible on top of your screen, and you just need to click on this word text to get the link of certain products that you want to promote. So for example, let's find an item first. You can literally search and browse and choose any item that you think that will sell well. If you're looking for a specific item, you can use the search bar, or you can also use the categories list, which you can access by tapping on this three lines icon, and from there just tap on any category that you want. So let's say I want to browse in the toys section. So just tap on that and then browse in here. Tap on the product that you want, and once it's loaded, simply click in the word text in the gray bar of Amazon Associates. And you will then get a short link and a long link version of the product. This link will direct those who tap this into this product page, and once they buy one, you will get up to 10% of the sale. Now, to promote it on Pinterest, you need a pin. It could be a video, a photo, it's all up to you. We just need something to post here like these pins. And remember that it should attract people to buy the product. So let's go ahead and create a Pinterest pin. A great site to do this is Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that you can use to create a lot of graphics, including your Pinterest pin. And although it has features available for pro subscribers only, anyone can use it for free. So don't be intimidated if you're new to graphic design or if you have zero knowledge. This is a beginner-friendly tool. So go ahead and visit canva.com. Sign up if you don't have an account yet. You can use Microsoft account, Google account, and a lot more. And to make our design process easier, you can use the magic search bar and then search for Pinterest pin. Enter that in, and once it's loaded, it will show you templates that you can use and customize to promote your own product link. So just browse in here and tap on a layout that you want to use. So personally, I want a video, so I might choose this one. And once you tap on a template, you can browse here under, because there are some templates as well in the same theme or color with the one that you tapped. And once you're final with what template you use, click on the customize this template button. You will then be directed into this editing page, and from here you can then start customizing the pin. First thing to do is to replace the image, of course. we need to put the product in here. One thing that you can do is to get the photo from the Amazon link itself. So you can right click on the image and save it, and then upload it here on Canva. To upload photos in Canva, click on this icon on the left part of your screen, and then click on upload. Choose the file and it will then be uploaded. Now to put it in the canvas itself, just simply click on the image and it will then appear on your screen. Next thing to do is to change the text to fit your product more. So just write the product name, the product description, and then you can also change the color of every element. You can add other graphics like vectors, stickers, graphics. Just explore this tab to see what you want to add. And once you're done with the layout, just download it in your device. To do that, just click on the share button on the upper right corner of the page. Click on download. Then for the file type, it actually depends. If you will be posting a photo, a PNG or JPEG will do. And for videos, just download it as MP4. Once it's downloaded, you can now upload it in Pinterest. So go to Pinterest, tap on the three lines icon, and then select Create Pin. We will upload the image that we downloaded from Canva or the video, and then type its title here. Now click on this change cover to select the main image of your video. A nice cover image can attract more attention from users as they scroll through their Pinterest feed. It serves as the first impression of your video, so picking the best frame in your video could really help your pin, your sales, and your affiliate marketing project. Here you can just type in best toy to gift for kids and loved ones. Just make sure that it is something that people would search in Pinterest. After the title, make a description for the product. If you don't want to compose it yourself, you can use this AI tool, the ChatGPT, to compose one for you. And then just use a paraphrasing tool to improve the statement. And then you can paste it on the description. Now go back to the Amazon link and then make sure that you're in the page of the product. Click on the text and then copy the short link. After that, just paste it on Pinterest. Make sure that you paste it under the destination link. Now, the last thing to do is to publish it, and it will then be posted in Pinterest. So aside from Pinterest, you can also use Facebook to share your product. You can write a post on your feed, or you can even post on groups to promote your link. And you can also use other social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to share and sell your product. So that is how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.